guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is a new 2 weeks ad and this will be the first week of this ad cycle. We received some good mystery offers today and that will help with this week's deal. I found a good filler item in case you have a treasured CRT or you just want to pick up this product. And that will be on the Zest 20-ounce body wash. They're on the deal of buy one get $3 back and it's priced at $4.99. Pick up one. If you're doing it by itself, pay the $4.99 and get $3 back, making it just $1.99. But if you don't mind paying out of pocket and you have 20% of CRT, you can use it. That will drop you down to $3.99 and you get $3 back, making it just 99 cents. The first deal I have in this video is buy 2 get $4 extra care box, and that will be on Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrushes. In the ad, it says a limit of 1, but on the tag, it says limit of 2. If you just want to do it one time, pick up one of the toothpaste and pick up one of the Oral-B toothbrush, and both will total $8. We received a $2 off digital coupon for the toothpaste, and we received a $2 digital coupon for the toothbrush. That will take off $4, dropping it down to $4, and you get $4 back, making both free. If you want to max the deal and get back $8, pick up 2 toothpaste and 2 toothbrushes. That will total $16. Use the $2 for the toothpaste and $2 for the toothbrush. We also received a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will double dip, and that will be a total of $9 for digital coupons. It will drop it down to $7. You pay that and get $8 back, making all 4 free and $1 money maker. The first cosmetics deal I have in this video is buy 2 get $6 back on any CoverGirl. Pick up 2 perfect blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. These 2 will total $11.58. I don't have the $3 coupon that we got from last week's savings set, so these ones I have here is from coupons.com. You can print out 2. That's $2 off CoverGirl eye coupons. And we received the $5 CoverGirl mystery offer. The 2 coupons and the $5 will drop it down to $2.58 and you get $6 back, making both free and $3.42 money maker. The next deal I have is buy 2 Maybelline cosmetics, get $5 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline baby lips, priced at $4.99 each. These 2 will total $9.98. We received a $5 mystery offer. This $5 mystery offer is for CoverGirl or Maybelline Cosmetics, so you can pick which deal you want to use it on. If you're using it with this one, that $5 will drop it down to $4.99. Pay that and get $5 back, making these 2 free. The next deal is on Aveeno Facial Care. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $7 back, and this also includes the Neutrogena Facial Care. But with this deal, I will share just the Aveeno. Pick up the Aveeno Facial Cleanser priced at $8.99 and the face cream priced at $15.99. These 2 will total $24.98. I only have a $5 off Aveeno Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $19.98 and you get $7 back. Check your Ibotta. For the cleanser, it's giving back $3.50, and for the facial cream, it's giving back $5. And also, we have Activate Reward. If you have not maxed yours, you will get back $5 for spending $20, and this offer ends on the 7th of September. After receiving all these rebates and the extra care box back, these 2 will end up being free and 52 cents money maker. The next deal I have is on Garnier Facial Care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 back, limit of 1 per week. My store is out of the Garnier eye makeup remover, and that will be the best deal if you're doing this deal. Pick up 2 if your store have it. They are priced at $7.79 each, and the 2 will total $15.58. Use $3 coupon from $8.25 savings set, and the second coupon I have is from coupons.com, and that's another $3. I have a 2 off 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. The 2 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $7.58 and you get $6 back, making both just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal I have here is buy 2 get $3 back on any Dial product. You can pick up the bar soap They are priced at $4.69 and they're on sale for buy one get one 40% off. With the 40% off, the second one will be $2.81. Both will total $6.87. Pay that and get $3 back, making both just $3.87 or $1.94 each. Or you can pick up the hand soap, priced at $3.99, and with the 40% off, the second one will be $2.39. These two will total $6.38. Pay that and get $3 back, making both just $3.38 or $1.69 each. The first hair care deal I have in this video will be the Shea Moisture Hair Care. They're on the deal of spend 20 get 10 back. You can pick up 3 of the Shea Moisture Stronghold Styling Gel, priced at $10.49 each. I know this is spend 20 get 10, but with the coupon we received today, I think picking up 3 will be a better deal. Picking up 3 will total $31.47. Use the 10 off 3 Shea Moisture digital coupon that will drop it down to $21.47 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.50 back on each. That means you get back $7.50 from Ibotta and it's a limit of 3. After the Ibotta rebate, these 3 will end up costing just $3.97 or $1.32 each. If you do not want to pick up 3 and you decided to pick up 2, your total will be $20.98. Pay that and get $10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2.50 back on each. That will be a total of $5, and that will end up making these two just $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal will be on Dove Hair Care. It's part of the spend 20 get $7 back limit of 1 per week. Pick up 4 of the Dove shampoo or conditioner. You can mix or match however way you like, and they are priced at $5.19 each. Picking up 4 will total $20.76. Today we received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 15 Dove Hair Care CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $12.76 and you get $7 back. And Ibotta is giving back $2, limit of 3. That means you will get $6 back from Ibotta. And after the rebate, these 4 will end up free and 24 cents money maker. The next deal in this video will be on Head and Shoulder. That's the 10.6 to 14.2 ounces. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $12. Pick up 2. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 9 and you get 3 back, making both just $6 or $3 each. The next deal will be on Pantene shampoo or conditioner, and that will be the 10.4 to 12.6 ounces. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $2 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up 2. Make sure you're checking the ounces, that way you don't pick the wrong product. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 8 and you get $2 back, making both just $6 or $3 each. The next deal is on Herbal Essence. They're on sale for $10 and it's part of the buy 1 get $2 back. Pick up 1. Use the $3 digital coupon we all have. That will drop it down to 7 and you get $3 back, making it just $4. The next hair care deal I have will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and they are priced at $5.99 each. These 2 will total $11.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and today we received a 2 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive CRT. That will take off $5, dropping it down to $6.98, and you get $3 back, making both just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is spend $45 get $15 back on any diapers or wipes. And the first 2 items you can pick up will be the Pampers Easy Up. They're on sale for 2 for $20. If you still have the Ninjamas nighttime underwear, it's the same price as the Splashers at $10.99. Pick up 2 because we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. To complete this deal, pick up 2 CVS brand wipes on sale for 2 for $4. And this will be the 6 items for the spend $45, and the total will be $45.98. For the Easy Up training underwear, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. If you have any baby care CRT, you can add it to this deal and adjust your math. But I don't have any baby care CRT. The 2 coupons will drop it down $38.98, and you get $15 back, making all six just $23.98 or $4 each. The next deal is spend 20 get $10 back, and Nivea body lotion is part of this deal. This you're looking at is on body wash. The lotions are not tagged already, but I just want to show you the tag for this deal. The lotions are priced at $10.29, pick up 2, and the 2 will total $20.58. In 8.25 savings set, we have a 4 off 2 coupon, and we also received a $2 digital coupon that will double dip with the 4 off 2 paper coupon. These 2 coupons will drop it down to $14.58, and you get $10 back. And that will end up making these two just $4.58 or $2.29 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $3 back on Irish Spring or Soft Soap body wash, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Pick up 1 Irish Spring body wash priced at $7.49, and pick up 1 Soft Soap body wash priced at $6.59. Since they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and the cheaper priced one will be the one to adjust down, and that will be the Soft Soap. The new price will be $3.95. These two will total $11.44. We have a $2.50 digital coupon for the Irish Spring, and we have another one for the Soft Soap. The 2 coupons will take off $5, dropping it down to $6.44, and you get $3 back, making both just $3.44 or $1.74 each. This next deal is not giving back any extra care box, but the Degree Dry Spray are on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2. I have 2 $2 tier pad that you can use to take off $4, dropping it down to just $5. Pay that and submit your receipt to Fetch for 1,500 points back when you buy 2. That's almost $1.50. That will end up making these two just $3.50 or $1.75 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back, and Palmolive and Ajax dish soap are part of this deal, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up one of the Palmolive priced at $4.99, and pick up one of the Ajax priced at $4.19. Because of the buy 1 get 1 half off, the cheaper priced one will be the half off, and that will be the Ajax. The new price will be $2.10. These two will total $7.09. We have a $1 off digital coupon for the Palmolive, and we also have a $1 digital coupon for the Ajax. That will take off $2, dropping it down to $5.09, and you get $2 back, making these two just $3.09 or $1.55 each. The next deal I have is the spend 20 get $5 back. This deal is a limit of 1, but I have different options for you. And the first option I have is to pick up 4 2-packs of the Cottonelle wipes. They're on sale for 2 for $10. That will total $20. We don't have any coupon in our app. Pay the $20 and get $5 back, and that will end up making these 4 packs just $15 or $3.75 each. Or you can pick up one of the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $10.79, and 2 2-packs of the Cottonelle wipes on sale for 2 for $10. These 3 items will total $20.79. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle bar tissue that will drop it down to $19.79, and you get $5 back, making all 3 just $14.79 or $4.93 each. Or you can just pick up 2 Cottonelle 9 mega rolls at $10.79 each. That will total $21.58. Use the $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.58, and you get $5 back, making both just $15.58 or $7.79 each. The last option I have for this deal is to pick up the Viva 6 big rolls on sale for $10.79, and pick up one of the Cottonelle 9 mega rolls on sale for $10.79. These two will total $21.58. Use the $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle that will drop it down to $20.58, and you get $5 back, making both just $15.58 or $7.79 each. This next deal is not giving back any extra care box, but it's on Kellogg's Special K cereal. They're on sale for $2.99. Pick up 2, and both will total $5.98. We have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 6 cereal CRT I received in my email. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $2.48. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on each box. That will end up making these two just $1.50 or 75 cents each. The last two items I have in this video is not giving back any extra care box, but it can make for a very good filler item. Pick up 2 Halls cough relief on sale for 2 for $5. Pay $5 and that will make it $2.50 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.